Plasticity vs Blender vs SolidWorks 2025. Which December 16, 2025 modeling software is best? Choosing December 16, 2025 modeling software in 2025 can be overwhelming, but most people get this wrong by picking based on popularity alone. Let's break down Plasticity, Blender, and SolidWorks. Plasticity is beginner-friendly and great for conceptual designs and quick prototypes. You won't believe what happens next. It has intuitive sculpting tools and supports for design workflows. Blender is free, open source, and powerful for animation modeling and visual effects. It excels at rendering photorealistic models and has an active community for support. SolidWorks is industry standard CAD software, perfect for precise engineering, manufacturing, and mechanical design. The surprising truth is that while it's expensive, SolidWorks offers unmatched parametric modeling and simulation features that Blender and Plasticity don't. So, which is best? For hobbyists or creative projects, Blender or Plasticity is ideal. For professional engineers or product designers, SolidWorks is worth the investment. Each has strengths depending on your workflow and goals.